Yes. Wait for me. Thank you.
C'est pas non plus. Yes, okay. Oh, okay. This is how Qatar Airways toilet is. Qatar Airways. Got the toilet. toilet is like one. Inside lights.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Privilege Club and One World Frequent Flight.
Welcome aboard this Qatar Airways flight. Please pay attention as we take you on a journey to our main destinations and demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
This is Captain Jimmy Drop Course for departure constructed.
Exits and walkways must be kept clear at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seats in front of you. Take care when opening overhead lockers as items may fall out. In-flight entertainment monitors must be folded away. Please fasten your seatbelt for taxi, takeoff and landing. Insert the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. To adjust, pull the strap to tighten the belt. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If you're seated in one of our forward-facing premium cabins, pull the shoulder strap across your chest and attach it like this. To unfasten, release the shoulder strap fitting away from the seatbelt attachment, then press the release button to unfasten the seatbelt. Electronic devices in flight mode. The use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing, and such devices must remain switched off until advised by cabin crew. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. If you drop your electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate the seat controls. Instead, contact a member of the cabin crew for assistance. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seat. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. The state path lighting will guide you to the emergency exit. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuate. We strictly observe a non-smoking policy at all times on board all our aircraft. Electronic smoking devices are also not permitted. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking on board. The cabin environment is carefully controlled. If oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Or you may be required to release the mask by pulling in the cupboard